Drone lovers, buckle up, because DJI is back with something truly special. The long-awaited DJI Neo 2 has just leaked in full detail, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact drones we've seen in years. From a brand new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 4K 60 frames per second HDR recording, to next-level AI obstacle avoidance, longer 38-minute flight time, and even O4 transmission from DJI's premium lineup, this little powerhouse might just redefine what an entry-level drone can do. In this video, we're diving deep into every major leak and rumor, including the confirmed specs, new design upgrades, AI features, and the expected release date and price that has everyone talking. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or first-time flyer, the Neo 2 could be the perfect balance between power and portability. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's break down everything we know so far about the DJI Neo 2, because trust me, this next-generation drone is about to take off in a big way. The drone community is buzzing once again, and for good reason. DJI, the global leader in aerial technology, is preparing to launch what could be one of its most exciting products in years, the DJI Neo 2. After months of leaks, supply chain reports, and insider teasers, it looks like we finally have a clear picture of what this next-generation compact drone will offer, including its specifications, new features, design upgrades, and expected release date and pricing. If you loved the first DJI Neo for its simplicity and portability, you'll definitely want to stick around, because the Neo 2 looks ready to redefine the entry-level drone experience with professional-grade performance at an incredibly accessible price point. Let's start from the beginning. The original DJI Neo, introduced as a compact, beginner-friendly drone aimed at casual creators and hobbyists, surprised everyone with its smooth 4K recording, stable flight controls, and intelligent flight modes. It became a favorite among travelers, vloggers, and those stepping into the DJI ecosystem for the first time. However, as the drone market evolved, users began demanding more: better low-light performance, longer battery life, stronger wind resistance, and smarter obstacle avoidance. That's where the DJI Neo 2 enters the scene. According to multiple industry insiders, DJI has taken all the community feedback from the original Neo and combined it with the latest advances from its Air and Mini series to deliver something far more powerful, while still keeping it compact, affordable, and fun to fly. So, what are the most exciting leaks so far? The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to feature a brand new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, similar to the one found in the Mini 4 Pro. This sensor size would represent a huge leap from the original Neo's 1/2.3-inch sensor, dramatically improving detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. In simple terms, users can expect crisp 4K 60 frames per second video, 10-bit color depth, and enhanced HDR capabilities, making footage look richer and more cinematic than ever before. Combined with DJI's latest image processing pipeline and upgraded D-Log-M profile, creators will have more flexibility when color grading or matching shots with higher-end cameras. But that's just the beginning. One of the biggest complaints with the original Neo was its limited obstacle avoidance and restricted tracking modes. The Neo 2 reportedly addresses this with 4-directional obstacle sensing, powered by dual vision sensors and an updated AI algorithm that enables precise object detection in real time. This will likely support DJI's latest